In this video, I will explain characteristics of computer and disadvantages of computer. As computers are playing important role in our life and there are many benefits of using computer. So next we will discuss characteristics of computer. First point is speed. The computer allows you to perform many tasks very fast. It can process a large amount of data very quickly. It means computer can work very fast. For example, suppose if you want to send a letter to your friend, then if you will send a letter by using post office service, then that letter will be received in few days. But suppose if you will send the same letter by using email service of computer, then letter will be received in just few seconds or minutes. The full form of email is electronic mail. Second point is reliability. Computers are very reliable devices. Reliable means we can trust on it because it has low failure rate and computers can never make mistake. Most of the errors are human errors. For example, user presses a wrong key or button of keyboard while entering the data in a computer. So this is a human error. Third point is storage capability. We can store large amount of data in computer and we can use stored data from computer whenever we need that data. Fourth point is versatility. Computer is a versatile device. It means computer is able to perform different types of jobs. For example, computer can notice the motion of very fast moving objects and things. It can work with different types of data and information such as graphics, audio-visual characters and presentation. Graphics means images. Next point is consistency. So given the same input and instructions, a computer will produce the same result consistently. It means for the same type of input, computer will always produce the same answer because computer perform every calculation with the same accuracy. Next concept is garbage in, garbage out. It means the accuracy of the output given by the computer depends on the accuracy of the input given to the computer. Sixth point is diligence. It means computer never get tired and bored and it is free from lack of concentration and fatigue. So as computer never get tired, so it can work for hours without creating any error or mistake. Seventh point is communication. It means by using computer, we can communicate with others because computer are capable of sharing data and information with other computer and users. Eighth point is environment friendly. Computer is environment friendly because now we can store our data and information on computer instead of using the paper. And now as we prefer the online communication like emails, online chats, so computer helps in creating the paperless environment. Next topic is disadvantages of computer. First point is health issue. The improper and prolonged use of computer can result in many health issues. It means if we spend more time on computer, then it can also affect our health. Second point is security issue. So some people use computer to steal important data of others like credit card number, account bank details. They steal this data and then they misuse the data. Third point is waste of time and energy. As young generation is spending more time on computers and phones in playing games, chatting and in watching videos, so it is bad for their studies and health. Fourth point is limit learning and more dependency. It means nowadays we are more dependent on the phones and computers. Like for example, people don't learn the spellings of the word, they rely on autocorrect option. And we use calculators to perform various types of calculation. So it limits our learning. Last point is impact on the environment. As computers are used in every aspect of our life, and people are buying new devices because computers are replacing other devices. So all these old devices that get thrown away have a impact on our environment.